Hello students, welcome to Shishya class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about food and its type. Student, I have one scenario for you, one situation. Let's say you skip the meal today. Today's dinner is skipped. Will you be able to go to school with the same energy? The answer is no. So it infers that we ate something, it went inside our body and it provided something. Okay, isn't it? So today we are going to talk about what is that. Okay, so it's food. So what is food? So food is something that provides us energy and nutrients to the body to maintain health and growth. But why do we need this food? So it provides us energy and it helps in growth and repair of the body. When you were a kid, your height would be something around this. But now, see your height? It's all because of the food, which it has nutrients in it. And it helps in the repair of the wounds. When you get hurt somewhere, it takes time to heal, right? So what helps it to heal? It's the food, the nutrients which are present in it. And it helps us to provide better health. And it helps us to fight against those invaders which try to enter our body, cause harm to us. On the basis of which the food is obtained, the food is of two types. One is plant-based and the second one is animal-based. The food which we obtain from plants are called as plant-based. Example, vegetables, fruits, cereals, oils, etc. And the food which we obtain from animals are called as animal-based. Example, meat, fish, egg, etc. Clear everyone? So food is of two types. One that is healthy food and the second one that is junk food. Healthy food has high nutritional values, and the junk food has less nutritional value. Clear? So now we are going to compare what is healthy food and what is junk food. So coming to the first point, that is nutritional value. Healthy food has high nutritional values, whereas the junk food has less nutritional value because it has sugar, fat. And what is the effect on our body? The healthy food provides us strength and keep us healthy, whereas the junk food causes weight gain, obesity, diabetes, poor digestion, and it causes harm to our body. Coming to the ingredients, the fresh fruits, vegetables, meat, all comes under healthy food, whereas the processed food, the chips you like, then sugary and salty food comes under junk food. Now coming to the health impact. So the healthy food prevents us from many diseases. It gives us a good immune system, whereas the junk food provides poor digestion, obesity, diabetes, and it causes many diseases. Now you tell me, which one would you prefer, a healthy food or a junk food? So now, what is a meal? The food which we eat at one time is called as meal. It is a balance of all the nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats that is required for our growth. The meal is of two types. It can be breakfast, it can be lunch, it can be dinner. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please follow Shishya class for more such content.